Hi guys, today for one of my favorite Maruti 800 car, generally you know it, which won't come with a power steering. So one of the interesting project what we gonna try to do today, remove the normal or the ordinary steering from the Maruti 800 and replace that with the power steering. So I have found a guy who generally builds a power steering for Maruti 800. He builds it from Uttarakhand. I have ordered the parts from Uttarakhand, that is in the car, and there are a couple of things that we're gonna do today in the car. So we will remove the power steering column completely and replace with the power steering. The normal column has already been replaced, if you see it, and that will be replaced with the power steering racket. Let us see how this project goes. It's gonna be interesting. Keep tuning and completely watch this video. So if you see, the whole steering rack has been already completely taken out, and as soon as the power steering module is fixed, let us see how the drive efficiency or the driving pattern, how it behaves. This is the power chamber Connell, the complete power steering module, which was bought from Uttarakhand. If you see here also, the address has been, the one who's sent me this product is Navin Negi, and let us try it out how this comes with. Alright, so stay tuned. Right now if you see, for the old power steering, he is removing the ignition complete socket. Once it is done, he will start working on the new steering. Well, if you see, this is the great Maruti 800, one of the gemstone, I can say, of Maruti. I know once upon a time, right, there was a zamana, it used to be like everybody who owned a Maruti 800 used to be called a Karodpatis in a family. So this is one of the gemstone, like I mentioned, old strong car, and this is a 2007 model Maruti 800. It's been already having a third ownership. I bought this recently, and this is a very genuine car. Inside also, if you see, all the seats are original from the showroom, and absolutely in a original paint. There is, even if you see, the small dents are also there. Owner has not done any repair. Absolutely in a immaculate condition. Engine bay also I will show you. There are a couple of spendings which I am going to do today. Right side of the headlight, which was slightly broken, I am going to replace it. And for the battery also, there is a gasket stand which is actually gone wrong, so for which we will replace that, and we'll see what else our close mechanic will say. Based on that, we will do the necessary workings. But just talking about the car, this is 2007, 68,000 originally clocked car, and it's all maintained in the showroom, absolutely in the immaculate condition. When I had taken the delivery of this car, the previous owner and as well as his daughter was actually crying, right? So they were emotionally attached for the last 8-9 years, and then they said adieu for this car, and I bought it. So the reason for buying this, in a city specifically, you can travel any corner without having any concern about the traffic. So one of the reasons for purchasing the car, commuting to the office every day, and in case if I want to drop my family around. I also have another car, you guys have seen it, Radico Sports. So thought that anywhere if I am doing the long drives, I will use the other car. For a shorter crisp ride in a city, I'll use this car. So I'm gonna spend couple of thousands for sure today. The power steering racket, if you see, it's now open. So this is a new power steering. And as soon as it's ready to fix, I will also show you the driving dynamics or feeling, how the normal power steering in an 800 you guys have already driven. At least couple of you whoever was watching the video would have already seen, versus the real 800 which comes up with the normal steering versus what we're going to replace with the power steering, right? So this power steering Connell, which has been taken out from two cars, one is from the WagonR and the other one is, other racket is from the Alto, and the compartment bay or the power bay is tuned as per the requirement for the 800. A great mechanical work so far. The Navin Negi or Sikandar Singh is also goes by. he has done it for more than 2000 cars, but since the distance is very wide, I have taken the delivery from there, and we will get it done today. Stay tuned, let us see how this goes. Alright, so we are done almost. I have purposefully not to record the entire session because the video length will going to be a normal. In fact, it's going to be extended. So just wanted to be sure that I have the limited recording enabled. That's the reason not recording the entire session. So car is almost done. They are trying to do the rubbing on the left side. But as soon as it is done, what we can do is that we will take out the car out for a spin, and I will show you the power steering effect, how it is effective after installing. Alright, stay tuned. Okay, so I have I'm on a first gear. Let the vehicle go, and that peep peep Maruti wala sound, right? So it feels so good. Right. Oh boy, it is so light. I feel so good. I can't believe this is my Maruti 800, right? So you can see it's so light, it's so light. Yeah, I can now proudly say this is one of the great projects that I have done for this year, upgrading a power steering to my small car, which is Maruti 800, which is again 2007 spec, which is hardly driven 67,000, absolutely in a brilliant condition. I think anybody, not really for a upper class guys, right? So in case if you're passionate about cars, you love whichever car it is. There is no categorizations for diesel, manual, whatsoever it is. I know for a fact that diesel will vanish in few years, because that is the way how government is aiming at. But I think right now we're looking at the small cars, right? So you get BMWs, you get Merc, you get whatnot in market, but fun driving, right? If you really want to enjoy your driving, irrespective of cities, irrespective of highways, I know, I agree, this won't come up with airbags and all those things, but what it is comes really with is a great engine and a good driving dynamics, right? So anybody who really understands, look at the way how I'm turning. It's a complete almost 2.5 rounds of steering cut I have done right now. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm trying to do, but absolutely brilliant. Well, what I was just trying to say, this is one of the best project which I have done for this year, and do subscribe my channel, which is AK's Critics Kannada. Earlier I was into giving reviews for most of the recent happening events, could be even new movies, new trailer, teaser, songs, whatsoever. But then I realized my heart and body and soul is everything is into autos. Then how can I come other than cars? What else I can do in, right? So you would have also seen installing Fleet Track dash camera on my last video, which is on an EcoSports. After that, I think it's going to be a great upgrade. People will definitely fall in love. Anybody who has the non-power steering vehicle, right? So I have a contact in case if somebody is interested. Do email me at arunhegde35@gmail.com, or do give you a comment with the number. I will directly message you. However it works for you. I'm just an intermediary, right? I'll make sure that the right product is delivered to you. But for now, guys, let me park little side on the road and then say a good adieu to you guys, right? So overall, great experience. Anybody who don't have a power steering on the car, right? Being it WagonR, being it Alto, being it whatsoever, whichever car, maybe Maruti 800 again, but I think you guys should definitely try it. Well, this is a beautiful car, and here I am. Do subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also if video length is really extended for long, please excuse, because I tried to cover as much as I can while doing the installations and everything. I just tried to do
cover the video as much as I can, because if I would have done the full length, then the video would have exceeded more than 30 minutes. Then I know for a fact that you guys would have definitely not shown interest to see the video. So for now, enjoy the driving of your car, whichever car you have, doesn't matter. Machine is all matters. So unless you love everything, all of these things, I think you guys will definitely love it, right? All right, so take care. See you in next video.